Hey, kumusta? Today is January 21, 2025, and today's devotion is from the book of Ephesians, chapter 4, verse 32. Sabi po dito, "Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other just as in Christ God forgave you." Minsan ba nasaktan ka na sobrang lalim to the point na parang napaka-imposible na magpatawad? Or may kaibigan ka or kapamilya na pinagkatiwalaan mo kaya lang sinira yung tiwala mo? Napafrustrate ka ba sa mga kasama mo kasi di nila na-meet yung certain expectations mo? Naintindihan kita, and I know kung gaano kahirap magpatawad. It is one of the hardest thing to do sa buhay ng isang Kristiyano. Especially kapag sobrang mahal mo yung isang tao and you feel betrayed. The more you love the person, the more it hurts. But let me ask you this. Mas madali bang magkimkim ng sama ng loob at galit kaysa magpatawad? Think about it. Forgiving someone benefits you more than the person you choose to forgive. Ang sama ng loob, galit, at hinanakit ay parang laso na unti-unting sumisira sa atin. That is why as followers of Christ, we are reminded to be compassionate and forgiving, just as He is towards atin. Let's be honest, this is not easy. It doesn't mean we ignore the pain or pretend the offense didn't happen. It means we choose to let go of bitterness and trust God with our healing. One of my prayers today is, sana turuan ako ni Lord na magmahal with pure and compassionate heart. At sana mapatawad din ako ng mga taong nasaktan ko in the past. Lahat naman tayo may mga imperfections eh. We can even hurt someone without us knowing. Ikaw ba? Do you need to forgive someone today? Are you ready to forgive that person and extend God's love? I want you to remember this. Forgiving might not change our past, but it can transform our future. Have a blessed day.